Where do you get your protein? This question reveals a widespread misunderstanding about human physiology and nutrition.
Oh yay! It looks like we are busting some nutrition myths here, which is kind of my beat. But I'm Abbey Sharp, I'm a no BS dietitian, so hit that follow button if you like sassy nutrition fact checking.
The body does not require dietary proteins. It requires amino acids. When we eat complex proteins, especially from animal products, the body must first break them down. Plants, on the other hand, particularly raw fruits, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, contain amino acids in pre-digested, bioavailable forms.
Okay, let's unpack. Yes, some plant foods contain free amino acids, especially when we're talking about fermented plant foods, algae, or sprouts, because they are pre-digested, are more bioavailable than intact proteins. However, this is a very small amount of the amino acids in plant foods, and the vast majority are still in intact protein structures that require digestion. More than that, their bioavailability is often hindered by anti-nutrients, fiber, and the fact that a lot of plants lack or are low in one or more essential amino acids. Fermentation, sprouting, soaking, and cooking can reduce anti-nutrients and partially break down proteins, which can then increase amino acid bioavailability. So, for example, a pea protein powder has almost double the DIASS score than cooked whole peas because it's being processed to remove those fibers and anti-nutrients. But even still, all of our animal proteins will ultimately come out on top. And if you look at this woman's whole platform, she's advocating for like a raw food diet, which means not only is the total amount of protein in those foods very low, but their bioavailability will be even more dramatically impaired. So bottom line, it is absolutely possible and plausible to meet your protein needs on a plant-based diet. But the raw fruit diet, absolutely not the path. Next.